In today's video, I'll show you how to put multiple photos into one frame using Canva. This is a simple way to create collages, mood boards, or clean multi-photo layouts. Let's dive in. Begin by opening a new design. You can choose any size depending on your project: Instagram post, flyer, or custom dimensions. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Frame. Canva will show you a variety of grid and frame layouts that can hold multiple photos. Scroll through the options and pick a frame layout that suits your design. Drag it onto your canvas, then resize or reposition it to fit your layout. Now, click on Uploads in the left panel to add your own photos or choose from images you've already uploaded. You can also search Canva's photo library if you prefer. Once your photos are ready, simply drag and drop each one into the frame cells. Canva automatically snaps them into place. If an image doesn't look right, double-click it inside the frame. You'll be able to reposition, zoom in, or zoom out until it fits perfectly. Once your photos are in place, add text, graphics, or stickers to make your design unique. You can also experiment with background colors or extra elements. And that's it. You've just learned how to place multiple photos into one frame in Canva. It's quick, easy, and a great way to present your images neatly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.